In a kitchen high above the floor lived Remy the rat who wanted more. Not just crumbs or cheesy snacks, he dreamed of cooking pots and racks. With a wisping paw and a hat on tight, he cooked by moon and morning light. He flipped, he stirred, he danced on bread with recipe books beside his bed. And Remy, little chef rat, spins on the spoon, imagine that. Tossing pasta, tasting stew, he makes dreams come true for me and you. He dashed through veggies with a dash of flair, sprinkled spices in the air. Carrots flew and onions twirled, he made magic meals that wowed the world. The humans laughed, a rat can't cook, but Remy proved them wrong. Just look! He climbed the counter, proud and bold, and served a soup worth solid gold. He never shouted, never feared, though big loud boots were always near. His heart was kind, his dream was true, he made a feast from cheese and glue. Now people cheer from near and far. Remy, you're a superstar. He opened up his very own spot where food is love and love is hot. And Remy, little chef rat, cooking with love in his tiny flat. From Paris streets to every heart, Remy's recipes are works of art. Oh! So grab your spoon, come take a seat. Remy's Rat Cafe can't be beat.